That is good.
That's good.
Hi guys, it's Seaside and Sunny here, and welcome back to a new cooking club video.
Today we are going to be showing you how to make
Passion cake!
This cake is really delicious. You will need
10 ounces of plain flour,
1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda,
2 teaspoons of baking powder,
6 ounces of light brown sugar,
3 eggs beaten,
you will need 2 ripe bananas that are mashed up, so they kind of look a bit like this. Not very nice, but this is what your mashed bananas should look like.
6 ounces of grated carrot,
6 fluid ounces of sunflower oil or vegetable oil. There, as I don't really want to tip this over there.
Now we can get started!
But remember to wash your hands.
The thing that you want to do is to sieve your flour.
This is so cool. It's snow. And get it in.
Now our flour is sieved.
The next thing we are going to do is put the bicarbonate of soda and baking powder in. We have added in the baking powder and bicarbonate of soda.
Now we are going to whisk everything in.
Separate the mixed up thing, gloop like thing, into 2 8-inch cake tins so that they're both even.
So these are our finished tins for the cakes, and now we're going to put them in the oven. And we've set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Or it can be at gas mark 4. I'm going to put the timer on for 30 minutes, and we will check up on them after that time, and then we will see if they need any longer or if they are just right to be taken out. Started making the icing while the cake is in the oven. It consists of 6 ounces of icing sugar, 3 ounces of margarine, and 3 ounces of
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Yes, we're going to mix these all together, and then we will have our icing. Guys, we forgot to say, we also need a teaspoon of vanilla essence.
Finish the icing. Here is what it looks like.
Added in some pink food colouring to give it a nicer colour. This is what the icing looks like. Once the cakes have been out of
The oven for about 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah, 5 or 10 minutes, and they are cool. It doesn't hurt to touch them. Then you can take them out of their things here and put them onto a cooling rack. Now our cakes look like this. We are only going to ice one of them right now because it takes roughly an hour for them to cool properly. So we will ice them and then we were going to try it. Now our cake is all iced, we are going to